Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for PowerPoint presentations. First, navigate to Canva's presentation section. You will discover thousands of professionally designed templates ready for your use. You can filter these by theme, color, or even industry to quickly find one that suits your needs. Alternatively, if you prefer a completely unique look, you can always begin with a blank canvas and build your design from the ground up. It's incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. Once you have selected your starting point, the real fun begins in the design editor. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes adding elements incredibly simple. You can choose from a massive library of millions of stock photos, icons, and illustrations, with many available for free. Personalize every aspect, from fonts and color palettes to background images, ensuring your presentation perfectly reflects your message and brand identity. It's all about making your vision come to life. To truly make your presentation stand out, consider adding dynamic elements. Canva allows you to easily incorporate animations and transitions between slides, creating a more engaging experience for your audience. You can also embed videos, audio clips, and even interactive elements directly into your design. Furthermore, Canva is excellent for teamwork. You can share your presentation with colleagues, allowing for real-time collaboration and feedback, streamlining your workflow significantly. Finally, once your masterpiece is complete, Canva offers several flexible options for sharing and presenting. You can download your presentation in multiple formats, such as a PDF document, a series of JPG images, or even an MP4 video. Crucially, you can export it directly as a Microsoft PowerPoint file, ensuring seamless compatibility. For a live audience, you can present directly from Canva, utilizing features like Presenter View and even an audience queue and a function. It's incredibly versatile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.